Hey everyone, welcome back to English Bites. I'm Harry.
And I'm Emma. And today we have a fun topic for you. We're going to learn English phrases while watching Netflix.
Yes! Netflix plus English learning is honestly the best combination ever. It feels like entertainment, but you actually learn real English, not dry textbook English.
Exactly. And today we're going to teach you many phrases you will hear in Netflix shows. We'll explain them in super simple English so you can start using them today.
Yep, so grab your popcorn. Let's get started.
Okay, Harry, let me start with the first phrase. It's something you hear in almost every series. The phrase is, "Are you serious?"
Oh yes, everyone says that, and it's such a useful phrase.
Are you serious means you are surprised or shocked. Like you can't believe something.
For example, if Emma says, Harry, I finished watching an entire Netflix season in one night.
And then Harry would say,
Are you serious? I've actually done that.
"Same." And this phrase is so easy to use in daily life.
Okay, next phrase from Netflix. This one is super common. Come on.
Oh, yes, that's my favorite. Come on, has many feelings, right?
Yes, it can mean, I don't believe you, or don't be dramatic, or are you kidding?
Example, if I say, "Harry, I think my phone hates me," Harry would say,
Come on, Emma, it's just a phone.
"See? Very natural, very friendly."
All right, next phrase from Netflix. I'm not buying it.
This one sounds funny because it's not about shopping at all.
Exactly. It means I don't believe you. For example, if Emma says, Harry, I didn't eat your chocolate,
And Harry saw me eating it.
then I would say, yeah, I'm not buying it.
That means he doesn't believe me.
Here's another dramatic Netflix phrase. We need to talk.
Oh, yes. Whenever a character says this, something big is happening.
It basically means I want to have a serious conversation.
Example, Harry, we need to talk about your sleeping schedule.
Okay, maybe later.
Next phrase is, what's going on?
Very common, very useful. You can say it when you don't understand what's happening.
Example, if you hear noise outside your house, you can say, what's going on?
Or when someone looks stressed, you ask, Hey, what's going on? All right, another Netflix phrase is, I can't believe this.
You hear this in emotional scenes. People say this when they feel shocked, happy, or sad.
Example, I can't believe this. I finally passed my exam.
Or, I can't believe this, you watched the episode without me.
That one hurts more.
All right, here's a very cute phrase from many romantic or friendly shows. You've got this.
Yes, that means you can do it, you are strong.
Example, if Harry is nervous before giving a speech, I say, Harry, you've got this.
And then he feels better. Let's move to action scenes. You will hear this a lot. Watch out.
It means be careful.
For example, if a car is coming, you shout, Watch out!
Or if Harry is about to spill hot tea on himself.
Watch out! See? Very easy, very useful.
Another powerful Netflix phrase is don't give up.
Yes, super motivating.
Example, in a show, when a character feels hopeless, their friend says, don't give up.
And you can use it for yourself, too. Next phrase is, let me explain.
You can say this when someone misunderstands you.
Example, if Emma thinks I ate her cake, I can say, let me explain, it wasn't me.
I wouldn't believe him anyway. All right, here's a phrase you hear in mystery or drama shows. Something's not right.
It means something feels strange or suspicious.
Example, something's not right. Why is the house so quiet?
Another super common one. I knew it.
Yes, people say it when they discover something they already suspected.
Example, if Emma finds out I finished the snacks,
I'll say, I knew it. Now, a very helpful modern phrase. That makes sense.
it means I understand now.
Example, If Harry explains why he was late,
And Emma finally understands. She says, "Ah, that makes sense." All right, another phrase you hear constantly. It's not a big deal.
it means, don't worry, it's okay.
Example, if Emma drops something and apologizes, I say, "It's not a big deal."
All right, let's add one more emotional phrase. I'm here for you.
Very sweet. It means, "I will support you."
Example, when a friend is sad, you say, I'm here for you.
So, Emma, do you notice something? All of these phrases make your English sound natural, not robotic.
Yes, when you use these phrases, people feel comfortable talking to you. You sound confident, friendly, and fluent.
And the best part is, you don't need to memorize grammar.
Just watch Netflix. Listen to how characters talk. Pause, repeat, imitate.
And slowly, your English becomes better without any stress.
Exactly. And now let's give them a small practice activity.
Great idea. Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
Are you serious?
Come on.
I'm not buying it.
You've got this.
Don't give up.
That makes sense.
I'm here for you.
Good job. Practice these phrases today.
And next time you watch Netflix, try to listen for these phrases. You will hear them everywhere.
And when you hear them, pause and repeat them. It's like free English training.
Fun English training.
The best kind.
Thank you for listening to English Bites.
We'll see you in the next episode.